Welcome to Making with Moss and Marsh. I'm Candace Broadman, and today I'm at historic Grayson Stadium. We're going to be crafting with the Banana Man himself, Jesse Cole, owner of the Savannah Bananas. Today, you're going to need an easy carved block, a pen or Sharpie, a Speedball Carving Pen, an X-acto knife, a spatula, a roller, and pigment or paint. Hi Jesse, thank you so much for coming on the show today.
Fired up to be with you.
Awesome.
This is awesome.
Are you ready to get crafty?
I'm going to try my best. This is not my specialty, but I'll do my best. You got the colors, you got the theme, we're looking good.
I got the colors, we're ready. So did you do much crafting at all growing up, or were you on the ball field most of the time?
I was playing baseball a lot. I was told I like to build, I like to play with toys, but not craft. So this is not my specialty, so it's going to be an adventure for everyone watching.
Okay, well I'm going to guide you through it.
All right.
Today we are going to learn to carve a block stamp.
Okay.
And then we're going to block print on bandanas. We're going to make banana bandanas.
That's amazing.
To get started, we're going to draw bananas on our block. So
this is bad. All right, you guys are actually making me do things I have no skills at.
We see there's a theme here with the bananas.
Yes.
Can you tell us what's behind that story, or what inspired the bananas?
Yeah, well, when we first came to Savannah, we knew we wanted to do something different and be more fans first, and we wanted to make something crazy. We couldn't be like everyone else.
Yeah.
So we said, all right, let's let the fans choose a name, and no one chose banana. We only had one person. 1,000 over entries, only one person. Lynn Moses said they should be the Bananas, and we said, ooh, we could have fun with that.
Yes.
A senior citizen dance team called the Banananas. We could have a male cheerleading team called the Mananas. You know, our mascot could be split. We said we got to do it, and fortunately, the community embraced it after a little bit.
Yeah.
And then now, we've officially gone bananas. It's just about having fun. Just like this, you got to have fun. And so, if our players are doing choreographed dances, and we have a break dancing first base coach and a banana baby, you have to make it fun.
So let's see how you do with drawing a banana. Now you're welcome here. We can snag one for inspiration.
I mean, it's just, this is bad.
So I feel like good. I love it.
This is so much pressure.
Right.
I want to see how you, it's just the loop. It's like,
it's sort of a loop,
you're going
but
sideways?
You got to get like a line here, you know, that's a little bit of definition, I think. So let's see.
I think the only class I actually failed was art. So now I'm glad I'm a part of this.
Well, I didn't do too good in gym, so
all right,
we're balancing.
Yeah, I did okay in gym. All right, let's see. All right, let's do that. See, this is...
See, looking good, off to a good start. Yep.
Now I'm falling apart. So now I got to go, maybe it's got to go further here.
Yeah, there you go, and do a little end.
That's the worst banana ever. I want to make sure everyone's seeing how bad this banana is. All right, do I do another line? I should probably do another line. Do another line.
Just to add, yeah. So the next step is carving.
Carving.
And we have these great Speedball pens. I love these because they're a great grip, and you get different tips with them too. So what I recommend for carving is starting away from your design to just get familiar with the material. And you want to do a shallow carve, so don't have your pen angled up too high to do deep cuts. So angle away, and what you're doing is you're carving away the negative space.
Okay.
So avoid hitting those lines that you made, and then you're just going to carve
around
the banana. And we will cut some of this excess off, so you don't have to worry about carving all of the corners out. So bananas are just like a small part of this philosophy and this concept of baseball that you've sort of changed forever. Can you talk about what inspired that, or how you came up with this idea?
Well, I was a guy who played baseball my whole life, and I loved playing it, but when I realized I watched it, it wasn't as fun, and the game wasn't the same game that I imagined when I was playing all the time. So I said, how do we make it fun? And how do you make it not boring and not long and not slow and make it exciting? And so we said, can we make it nonstop promotions, nonstop dancing and singing and crazy shenanigans all the time? And bananigans, we'll keep saying that. Just do things that fans don't like, stop doing them.
Did you guys choose to come to Savannah, or did it kind of choose you?
It was August 4th, 2014, and we had our old former team in Gastonia, North Carolina, and Emily, who was our director of fun on our team in Gastonia, that was her title. At our last game of the year in Gastonia, in front of a sold-out crowd, I stopped the game in the middle of the game and brought her on the field and said, not many people know this, but we met for the first time right here on that field. And then I asked her if she'd marry me in the yellow tuxedo. And so she said yes. And as she said yes, I had a fireworks show go off. We delayed the game in the middle of the game. It was ridiculous.
the best.
And so throughout the night, that whole night, like she couldn't sleep. She was so excited or scared, either way of looking at it. And so she planned a trip to Savannah for the next weekend. The season was over. She's like, we've never been to Savannah. We've heard great things. So she planned a trip. And so we ended up coming to Savannah. We came here to a game. I fell in love with this stadium, 1926 ballpark.
Yeah.
The former team was playing and there was no one here.
Yeah.
It was less than 200 fans. I was
Yeah.
like, what happened?
Yeah.
So I called the commissioner of our league. I said, if this team ever leaves, we're coming here. But yeah, so we when we first sold only 2 tickets and struggled, we actually had to sell our house, our dream house in Charlotte.
Oh my goodness.
And we bought a fixer-upper that was on the market for over 3 years in Tybee. No one wanted it. I actually walked in and walked immediately out. It was terrible. So we bought that, got an airbed, and we're sleeping on the airbed trying to make ends meet. And now we've fortunately been able to renovate that and have a bed. So we love taking our 2-year-old son for walks on the beach and going around Tybee. We enjoy that. So do I need to get in here too?
Yes. You're gonna have a really unique stamp.
That's for sure. That's one way of being nice.
Yeah.
This is gonna be very unique or tough. Do I have to show people? I mean, this is really bad.
That looks
That's
awesome.
the worst looking banana I've ever seen.
It's gonna, you'll be surprised. It's
All right.
gonna look cool.
All right.
Because I love the texture that you get with these block prints.
My banana.
There's your banana. All right.
Do they look the same?
Yeah, I
All right.
mean, pretty close. I'm pretty sure I've seen that exact banana
Yeah.
somewhere. Would you like to do a yellow or white bandana?
There's only one decision.
I know. And I'll do white just to have
Thank
a
you.
contrast.
Mix it up.
Yeah.
All right, so we're opening it up.
Yes, open it up. And
I feel like I need music playing during this. Like I feel like I need to be dancing / singing while doing it. All right.
all right, so I recommend doing the navy on yours and I'll do the yellow.
Okay.
Today we're using a textile pigment because we're working with fabric. If you're doing this with paper, acrylic paint will work fine. So what you'll need is something flat to put your pigment on. So
It's called pigment?
Pigment, yes, or textile ink, either way.
Good
kind
pigment.
of an interchangeable term. So let's see, I'm just gonna scoop a little yellow.
Your banana's a little chubby. You got a chubby banana.
That's okay.
I kept mine thin.
Nice. And now you're gonna take your brayer and you're gonna roll it through the ink, coating the brayer all the way.
So we're just right back and forth?
Yep. Yeah.
Both ways?
Mm-hmm. Now you're gonna gently roll over the top of your stamp. So you don't wanna go too hard because you just wanna hit the surface. Let's see how you do.
Is that too much paint?
No, that's good. Here, move away from your bandana though. Yeah, that's good. Just gently. Oh, that's so nice. I love it. That looks great.
You're just being nice.
No, I think it looks really good.
All right.
So what kind of pattern should we make today? What do you think?
A really good one.
Really good one?
Yeah,
You
a
could
really
do like
cool one.
A banana spiral or like flipping bananas.
I trust you. That spiral sounds like a lot of fun.
Okay, well let's do that then. You're gonna pick it up and then you're gonna gently and try to evenly and flatly, is that a word?
Flatly, good.
Flatly push it down onto your
So right here?
banana. Yep,
All right.
yep.
Boom.
Boom, boom. Perfect. Just try not
Flatly.
to shift it. Flatly.
Flatly.
Yes, and then evenly pick it up.
1,
Yes.
2, 3.
There we go. That's a pretty good banana.
That's
Are
a
you
good
impressed?
banana. That's a good banana.
I told you.
I'm very skilled at this.
That's
You can tell I've
awesome.
been doing this for years.
All right, so now we re-ink and we just keep doing that and placing our bananas.
All right.
All right, so you gotta tell me, of all the bananigans y'all do, what is your most favorite one?
Oh, geez, that's a tough one.
Or pick like top 3.
I'll never forget the first time the breakdancing first base coach danced, and that was pretty special. I'll never forget the first game we played in kilts. I'll never forget when we gave away a colon cleansing and a porta-john at the ballpark.
So let's talk about the suit. You said you
suit.
have how many of them?
I own 7. But see, the big thing to remember is my wife is still married to me. So that's the key here. She's dealing with this.
She is. Now, do you have them special, like custom made?
Really cool story. So once, I think it was our 3rd season here, and I was starting to get a lot more opportunities to speak all over the country kind of about what we're doing here. And our staff surprised me. They got a custom-made one for me. They said, we don't want you looking like a clown when you're on the road. I go, guys, I'm in a yellow tuxedo. I will always look like a clown. So the whole staff surprised and got a custom one for me. So that's the one I wear on the road, and these ones are the more low-key at the stadium.
That's so awesome.
I'm such an arts and crafts person.
You are.
You can tell.
I think I'm converting you, though.
Yeah. No longer going to do this baseball entertainment thing. All right, evenly, flatly. And we are...
It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Where's my craft drop? I need like my craft drop, like my...
like the Brayer.
Yeah, what's it? Well, it's called a roller. I need my roller drop, or what's this called?
A carving tool. You can
carving
drop
tool drop. It's actually gone.
Jesse,
right.
Do you have anything you want to add or tell us today?
No, I mean, this was fun, and I think the reality is we're going to keep having fun here at the ballpark. No matter what's going on, we're going to make sure it's safe and keep having fun. I think people need fun more than anything right now.
Definitely.
And we're going to work to bring that and bring a lot of joy. And I'll tell you, the players are more excited than they've ever seen to be able to play here, and we're more excited to put on the show.
Let's hold them up and see how we did.
Yeah.
Woo! So what do you think? These are pretty cool,
I
right?
think yours is beautiful and actually looks on purpose. Mine's kind of silly, but hey.
But hey, bananas are silly, right?
Yes, this will work.
Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please join us next month for a new fun craft and special guest.